Good morning. Nandito po ulit ako para magbahagi sa inyo ng salita ng Diyos. Alam mo kapatid, sa mga oras na ito, napakahalaga ng aking babahagi sa inyo. Ano bang sitwasyon natin sa ngayon? Ikaw ba ay naguguluhan? Ikaw ba ay nahihirapan? Ikaw ba ay nagkaramdaman? O tabi mo, sabi nga niya, God never sends you into the situations alone. He always besides you. Kapag natapa ka man, God always in front of you, iahahon ka niya, ibabangon ka niya kapatid. Sabi nga niya, He stands beside you, He walk behind you, whatever situations. Kung sabihin plural, marami tayong pinagdadaanan, di ba? Marami tayong mga pagsubok. Okay, whatever situation you have right now, sabi ng Panginoon, He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you shall take refuge. His truth shall be your shield. Hallelujah. You shall not be afraid by terror by night. Yan ang Panginoon. Yan ang kapangyarihan ng Panginoon. If you need an answer, then try God. If you need a healer, kung may sakit ka man, then try God. If you need a breakthrough in every breakdown point of your life, then try God. You will never be alone. Okay? God bless you.